Hello, my name is Tina. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, I show you how to make homemade kawaii easy felt pencil toppers for little kids using Dollar Tree supplies. It's the last week of school before Christmas break and these cute pencil toppers will make an excellent year-end handout to classmates. So, watch until the end of the video to see how you too can make one for your child. First, we'll make a Christmas tree pencil topper. Take a square green felt, fold your felt in half widthwise, then fold in half lengthwise. Second, outline the shape of a Christmas tree. Third, cut along the outline. Once you're done cutting, it should look like this. Next, decorate your Christmas tree. Stitch these small bell ornaments, hot glue some pom-poms. Then stitch along the bottom of the tree without closing the openings fully to insert a pencil. Finally, stick some dots glitter stickers as garlands on the Christmas tree. Voila! Here is your cute little Christmas tree pencil topper. How beautiful is it? Second, we'll make gingerbread woman pencil topper. I absolutely love this one. It's so cute. For this pencil topper, I used gingerbread woman felt sticker from Dollar Tree. Stitch a bell ornament onto the bow. Next, trace out the gingerbread woman shape onto a white felt and cut it out. This will be the back of the pencil topper. Then peel out the sticker and stick the gingerbread woman onto the back you just made. Insert a pencil. With a small scissor, cut off any excess felt. Voila! Here is your adorable gingerbread woman pencil topper. Third, we'll make a globe with Snowflake pencil topper. Take a red square felt, fold your felt in half lengthwise, then fold it in half widthwise. Outline a semicircle like so. Cut it out. Use a white felt to create a snowflake and hot glue it. Press it down. Next, we'll use red and white jewel stickers and bedazzle our snowflake. Hot glue it and leave the middle bottom portion to insert the pencil. Cut off excess felt. Voila! Here is a snowflake on a globe pencil topper. So easy to make and so beautiful. Lastly, we'll make a personalized globe pencil topper using felt letters. Here, customizing it with letter I. Stitch a bell for the dot on the letter I. Decorate around it. Instead of hot gluing the sides, we'll stitch them. I actually prefer how the completed globe looks with stitches instead of using a hot glue. Voila! Here are your quick and easy homemade kawaii easy felt pencil toppers for little kids using Dollar Tree supplies. If you found value in my video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to watch this video on how to make Christmas wreath on a budget. You will be glad that you did.